You never need to give a dealer your credit to get a quote on a car. I'm going to tell you why, and I'm going to tell you what to say when they say to you, we need your credit to give you a quote. First things first, it's not necessary. I ran thousands of quotes when I was at Mercedes and General Motors. Never once needed a credit report because all you're looking for when you're shopping for is an estimate. That's it. You don't need the exact price because you haven't even decided you want the car. You want an estimate. Here's why they're telling you they need your credit, because they know people are credit conscious. Once you give them your credit report, you are less likely to go out and shop other dealers, which is what they want. They don't want you shopping over. So they'll have you thinking, well, I gave them my credit. I don't want to get too many inquiries, so I'm not going to shop around. You don't want that. You don't give them your credit, and here's what you do when they say to you, we need it. Assume good credit. If you're buying, here's what you say. And if you're leasing, I'll tell you what to say next. If you're buying, you say, assume good credit. Don't give me the best rate with this quote, with this estimate. Give me an average rate. Not the best, not the worst. I'm just trying to decide around about what the payment's going to be. I know it could change if my credit is not up to par. And this is what that's going to allow you to do, to know what the payment would be before you submit your credit, so you can keep track of how much it changes after you submit your credit. If it was $250 on average and then you submitted your credit and they come back at $400, there's a problem there. How'd it go from $250 to $400? They have to explain that. If you're leasing, you tell them, everyone who's giving me a quote is assuming tier 1. Can you use the same? I know I need to qualify for it, but I'm just looking for an estimate. Close estimate. That's it. Hit that share button and listen to the Auto Advisors podcast.